Hello everyone and welcome to Knowledge Base, your one-stop destination for programming tutorials and tech content. In today's video, we're going to learn how to take input from the user in Java using two important classes: Scanner from java.util, BufferedReader from java.io. Whether you're preparing for exams, interviews, or building real-world applications, this is a must-know concept. So let's dive in. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated on all my programming tutorials. In Java, user input means getting data from the user at runtime, like entering your name, age, or a number. Java provides multiple ways to take input from the user, but the most commonly used are 1. Scanner class. Simple, flexible, and perfect for beginners. 2. BufferedReader class. Slightly more advanced, but very efficient when working with large inputs. We'll cover both of them with examples and then compare them at the end. Let's start with Scanner. The Scanner class is part of the java.util package and allows you to read input of various types: integers, strings, doubles, etc. Here's a quick example for reading an integer input from the user. We create a scanner object named C, linked to system.in, standard input. nextInt is used to read an integer. Finally, we display the entered number. Now let's take string input using Scanner. Use nextLine when you want to read full lines, including spaces. Now let's move to the BufferedReader class. It belongs to the java.io package and is used with InputStreamReader to read text efficiently. BufferedReader reads data from the user via readLine method. It reads input as a string, so it's great for reading entire lines or multiple words. You need to handle IOException either using throws or try-catch. Want to read an integer using BufferedReader? Since it only reads strings, we convert it using Integer.parseInt. Let's quickly compare both methods. Use Scanner for small tasks and variety of input types. Use BufferedReader when efficiency and speed are more important, like reading large files. Scanner. Be careful with nextLine after nextInt. It may skip input due to newline issues. BufferedReader *. Always remember to convert string input if you're expecting integers or doubles. Summary. Java offers two main ways to take user input: Scanner and BufferedReader. Scanner is easier to use and flexible for various data types. BufferedReader is faster and better for large-scale or line-based input. Tip: practice both to get comfortable, and choose based on your project needs. Let's implement both Scanner and BufferedReader classes practically to take input from user at runtime in Java. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, drop your questions in the comments, subscribe to Knowledge Base for more Java tutorials and coding tips. Subscribe to our channel to increase your knowledge with the Knowledge Base. Thank you.